Are doing the Oreo cookie challenge for them to get the cookie from their forehead into their mouth. Ready? Go. Oh.
Where's my cookie?
You gotta catch it in your mouth.
Oh. Kendall, try it.
It is hard.
What? Why does it keep on?
Move your face, Kendall, so it goes down on your, down to your nose. To your nose.
No!
Oh, Kendall, you almost got it. Oh. Tyler, you almost have it. You almost have it. He got it. You helped him, Casey, by bumping him.